About a mile up, there's a little detour. We're gonna take a walk in the woods.
It gets bumpy here, folks. Okay, let's get you wired. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay, you're on.
See, kid? An ordinary person spends his life avoiding tense situations.
Rifleman spends his life getting into tense situations. Bouncer! Woo!
Okay, Rabbit, what do you got?
Yeah, okay, Bill, turn left here toward that farm.
You sure about that?
Yeah. Trust me, Rabbit is good, Rabbit is wise.
Jesus Christ. This is a field, Rabbit.
I know, keep going, beyond it, right through that brush. You see that brush right in front of you?
Yeah, we see the brush. What's beyond that?
Beyond what?
Beyond what?
The brush!
Beyond
a brick
the
wall!
brush.
Bearded lady, what?
Oh, it's the highway, it's the highway.
Where's the road, Rabbit?
Yeah, where's the road, man? Should be any moment.
She's insane. You're insane, Joe. What are you trying to do? Get somebody killed?
Oh, really, Jonas? It was so nice of you to stop back there and make sure we were all right. It was very considerate of you to see 10 people on the side of the road and not stop.
Channel clear.